it's Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. Please excuse your girls like at the end of my day. It's 5 o'clock. And if you know me, I'll probably be asleep in the next 2 hours. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing the Holy Fish here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. Big shout out to y'all that be hyping because I be seeing y'all be hyping your girl up. You be making me feel a little special. I'm not gonna front. So as far as today, I think I need 18 offers for $5. Hoping I can knock it out. If not, I'll do what I can today and then hopefully finish it by Sunday. I'm waiting for Josiah's pizza right now. I'm waiting for it to say it's ready. Look. It's ready. And so, yeah, so let me record this really quick. I literally just left Walmart though. I wanted to mention the newer app that I just talked about in my last video, though I'm gonna try to keep this super, super brief. I'm new to the app, y'all. Like, I literally just started using it in my last video. I did 2 offers, and in order to unlock more offers, or basically you have to do 3 first. Once you complete 3 offers, then you'll be able to do more. But basically, I have to do 1 more. So I went ahead and grabbed the 3rd item today. So once that one's complete, I'll be able to do 4th, 5th, and so forth. The minimum to cash out is $5. You cash out to PayPal. All the offers tend to be either Walmart or Target, either in-store or online. This one they go so freaking fast. Like, the offers go so fast. As soon as I see it, it's like I click to see if it's even sold in my area before I claim it. But they go so fast, you guys. I'm gonna pop up some of the ones that I've been getting since this week, like in the last 2 or 3 days. I did screenshots of all of the ones that have been popping up, bam, 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 wherever I put it at. So there are offers that pop up. You just have to claim them because they go so freaking fast. If I didn't mention the app, it's called Sozie, Sozie. I'll have my referral code. It is referral only or invite only. So I'll have my code there, I believe. They want you to claim 3 offers within 2 weeks. So again, this is my 3rd one. So that means that I'll see you guys at Walmart. I think I do have a couple Target deals I will mention as well. I'll just pop up a breakdown at the end of my So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the outro.
All right, so this first deal, one of my favorite deals, is on the Yasso. They're priced at $5.97. They went up in price, y'all. I noticed it in my last haul. I can't believe it's $6 for 1 pint. And so for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 4. That's going to come to $23.88. I'll get back $8 on Fetch, $6.10 on Ibotta, and $10 on Inbox Dollars, making all 4 a 22-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is the Mott's. I'm really hoping this resets tomorrow on checkout 51. I think I'm going to do this deal a couple more times. They are priced at $3.84. 4 is going to be $15.36. We'll get back 10 on my points, 3 on checkout 51, making them only 59 cents each. And of course, I had to do the Ocean Spray deal again. They are priced at $3.67. 4 of them is going to be $14.68. Getting back 9 on Swagbucks, 4 on checkout 51, making them only 42 cents each. Okay, so this deal here is on the Reese's Sparkling Water. I'm excited that I kind of waited on this deal. I've had this on Social Nature for a while now, so I'm going to go ahead and grab one at $9.98. We have that free offer on Social Nature, plus we have 50% back on Aisle, and then we'll also have 10-cent inning for Ibotta. It's going to make this a $5.09 moneymaker. All right, so for this deal here, I've been actually redeeming the dollar offers at Walmart for the 2-liter, the store brand, as well as Food for Less, making it just free. But I'm going to go ahead and grab the Sun Kiss. It's Josiah's favorite flavor at $1.42. I'll get back $1 through B of A, making that only 42 cents. All right, so big shout out to Couponing Deals for this deal here. She posted on our community tab yesterday, and I was so excited about it. It's on the Starbucks Sweet Cream. There's 3 different flavors. They're priced at $4.98. We have an offer up to $8 back, making this absolutely free. We do have an offer for Fetch that it tracks for as well. Super stoked about this deal here on the Pedigree. It is working with 6 different offers, which makes hitting the weekend that much easier. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab one priced at 88 cents. I'll get back a total of $60. I wish. I would get back a total of 60 cents on Ibotta. Also getting back $1 from B of A for the dog offer, making this a 72-cent moneymaker. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the Windex foam spray again. It's priced at $3.12, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, $1 on checkout 51, and $1 on my points, making it only 62 cents. I'm going to be grabbing the All Free and Clear. It's priced at $4.47. I have a $2 hang tag. Big shout out to Lee and Justin for sending me some. So I'll pay $2.47 out of pocket. I'll get back $2 on Ibotta plus a 10-cent any laundry product, making that 37 cents. I'm so excited about this OTC, y'all. It's on the cloud chips. I tried the nacho, which was really good. The zesty spicy one, it's okay, but I'm not a fan of that one. And so I was excited to be able to try some different flavors. And so with this OTC offer, it is up to $3.47. And so basically you scan it at checkout as payment and it should come off. Now for me they're $3.64, so I paid 17 cents, which is definitely not bad. It is based on your email address, and so I have 6 different emails, and so I usually would just do them all. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is a Sozie deal. Susie, I don't know. Anyway, I need 3 offers. This is my final one to unlock other offers. And it sucks because like I can't do anything and I keep seeing different offers pop up, but I can't do anything until I complete this 3rd offer here. So it's priced at $3.23. It's on the Scent Theory foam hand spray. So I'll pay the $3.23. I'll get that back, making that absolutely free. So I'm finally doing the Lysol wipes. They're priced at $1.72. I'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 back for the B of A as well. It'll make this a 28-cent moneymaker. Limit on Ibotta is 5. I just grabbed 1. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for Walmart Rewards as well, just so I could redeem for the B of A offer a 2nd time. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, next up is the Dove Men Care. It's on the Ted Lasso ones. It looks like the yellow one is priced at $6.98. We'll be grabbing 2 of them. The total is going to come to $13.96. We'll get back 5 on Swagbucks, $1.50 for 2 on Fetch, making them $3.73 each. All right, so we went over this deal in my last video. It did pop up on Fetch Reward, and I also have a threshold offer for spend 40, get back 50 cents. So for this deal, it's on the Dove Men Care. It's on the Ted Lasso ones. Now, heads up, the one with the stars, the FIFA ones, those are keyed in as the Ted Lasso ones, which is weird, but they are. And so when you scan them in store, they scan as the Ted Lasso ones. And they also work for Ibotta as well as the sister apps too. So for this deal, I went ahead and just maxed it out. Now I did do 2 per transaction because the Ibotta limit is a limit of 3. Well, Ibotta and Walmart Rewards. So I can maximize 4. I did it like that. But grabbing 4 of them, the total is going to come to $31.88. Getting back 12 on Swagbucks. We did $4 on Ibotta, 4 on Walmart Rewards, and then $8.50 on Fetch, bringing them down to only 84 cents each. Last deal I did at Walmart was on the Colgate Optic White. Now this deal is only good if you clipped the Colgate offers like we mentioned in the last video. This is the only one that I still had left for the $3 offer. So that's why I'm doing this deal. All right, so it's on the Colgate Optic White, price at $7.96, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $3 on my points, I think I did, making that only 96 cents. All right, so now we're at Target. I only have a few deals to share here. This first one here is on the Tom's toothpaste, price at $5.99. Now we do have a $3 digital. You could use that if you want, pay less at the register, and then get back $3 on Ibotta, would still make it free. I decided to utilize the $3 coupon I have on one of the sister apps, plus $1 on checkout 51, making it $1.01 moneymaker. I was a little on the fence whether or not I want to do this deal. It's on the Flav City Cafe, like coffee drink. It's priced at $17.19 on sale. Getting back 10 on Social Nature and 10 on Aisle is going to make this a $2.81 moneymaker. Big shout out to those of you who use my referral link for the First Farm beef jerky. They're priced at $3.19. I'm going to go ahead and redeem one. I'll get that back through Aisle. I'll also get back $1 on Ibotta, making this a $1 moneymaker. I did try the original one. I like it. I'm not too sure about the breakfast one, but I'll try it. And I have to try, I think it's a jalapeno flavor. But these beef jerky sticks are thick. Like, there ain't nothing Slim Jim about these. They good too. I don't know what's up with all this beef jerky. Like, the universe is saying, you need jerky in your life. I got another BOGO offer for Aisle. So I picked up the larger bag, priced at $16.99. The Little Rebels is priced at $15.99. The total for both is going to come to $32.98. You'll get back $15.99 from Aisle. I got back a total of $8.65 from Merryfield and $11 from Fetch. It makes them both a $2.66 moneymaker. Alright, so this is the last deal. If you're still watching, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It's on the Snackish. Okay, Snackish. These are up front by the checkout. They're priced at $1.99. Now for this, you could either buy one, you could buy two, you could buy four. I went ahead and grabbed four. I paid $7.96, and then I got back a total of $5.99. It basically makes them 49 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. So with that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. Like, I didn't have any issues at all. I didn't do a whole lot today. I was happy that the pedigree was working for like 5 or 6 different offers. It has to be this one. That's the chopped ground beef, bacon, and cheese flavor. But just scan in store to make sure. But that one is working for 6 different offers, which is really cool because that made it that much easier for me to knock this out. I only had, I think, 1 coupon. That was for the all. My OTCs worked perfectly fine. I've noticed that my home Walmart, a lot of their guns don't work. And I don't know if they do that on purpose. But I know which registers the gun still works at. But I did grab 3 different flavors. I have tried this nacho one. I really like it. There's a spicy one. I didn't like that one. But let me just be honest. Between me and you and me, the ones I got from Target, they were expired. I didn't even realize until I had like knocked the nacho bag out. I put it down. And then I just happened to look at the bag as I was folding it up to throw it in the trash. It just said July like 13th or something like that. The other one, the spicy one, that one said like, believe me, dead ass, look, July 13th. The other one said July 9th. So, and this one, I didn't really like this one. I tend to like spicy, but this one, it's okay. But the nacho one was so much better. I'm going to try these 2 and see how they taste. But I was like, do it taste funny because it's expired? But the nacho one was okay. And I knocked it out. And so I just want to say, check your expiration dates. Now, real quick, I'm going to mention this again for the people in the back. When it comes to the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, EasyBucks, Upromise, Be Frugal. Right, sister apps, they sisters. Be Frugal, yeah. Be Frugal is a sister now. Y'all remember when she was like a third, second cousin, fifth removed? Yeah, she's a sister now. Well, I mean, she been having some issues lately. I don't know. But when there's offers that you don't think are gonna last, like the Colgate ones, they don't last long. Like literally, they pop up. They might pop up on like a Sunday, and like by Tuesday they're gone. I automatically clip all my Colgate offers. I have clipped all my Dove offers. And it'll save it for you. Okay, for a while, for a little bit. Because I know the Colgate ones, I clipped them all. And as of today, I still only had 1 left. which was the one for $3, which was cool. So I did it for the Toms and for the optic wipe. So yeah, just a tip, clip the offer. If it's expired and it's clipped, you can still use it. All right. If you happen to accidentally unclip it, which I did with today, accidentally unclipped it, can't clip it because it's gone. It's expired. So it's not really supposed to be there. So if you unclip it by accident, you just assed out. So, but yeah, always clip them because it'll save it for you for a little bit. You know, and a lot of times with these apps, like the offer will be pulled and then the next day we'll get more offers on like Ibotta on a different app that we could have stacked with it. So if you save it for, you know, for a little bit, then it just extends the time that you can use it. I hope that made sense. I'm gonna try to breeze through this really quick. But yeah, everything here worked out good. All right, so everything you see here retails $200.32. I had $12.41 in coupons and the OTC for the protein pop. That brought the total down to $187.91, getting back $40.16 from aisle, $27.50 from Fetch Reward, $27.40 from Ibotta, $19.98 from Social Nature. Swagbucks was $15, $14 was from My Points, $13 from Inbox Dollars, $9 from Checkout 51, $8.65 from Merryfield, $6 from Easy Bucks, $5 from Walmart Rewards, $4.98 for the Starbucks, which I forgot to take out the refrigerator. There I go. Because some of y'all probably be wanting to see stuff. Shay, you didn't get that creamer. I know you didn't. Yes, I did. Okay, so $4.98 for Starbucks. And then we're getting back $3.23 from Sozie and $3 from Bank of America. It brings the total back to $196.93, making everything you see here free plus a $9.02 moneymaker, which is definitely not a bad deal. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, definitely don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. Made it to the end, I want to see an apple emoji in the